First little old blue cat. Oh, hold on there, blue kitty. That's a pretty good cat. You're not hit real good. I better get the net on this one. That one's just barely hooked on the skin of the mouth there. That's a pretty nice old fish though. I believe that one's going home to dinner. Another blue cat. See how he rubs those fins? Maybe he'll do it again. Talk a little mo. Well, I don't guess he's going to talk. He got bashful now. Another blue. Well, we'll take him. Oh, another good blue cat. That's a good one. I believe we'll keep that one for eating. Looks like another blue. Them old blues just keep on rolling. I believe I caught him on a little cut perch. I kind of took a little perch and filleted it up, made it nice and supple. Oh yeah, that's a long skinny cat. That cat's better than 20 inches. You can hear. You want to bet it's another blue cat. Pretty good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another little old piece of cut perch, just a tiny little old strip is all it took. 21 inch. Pretty nice little old fish. Going in the bucket. Take their head off right quick. And I'll use that head part, but then the rest of this I'm just going to cut into little, I don't know, 1/2 inch chunks. I like to take these and just kind of fillet them, cut them in half, because that way I'll get 2 thin strips of bait. And if I didn't catch many shad, well, I try to go sparingly on that end. And it also makes for just a real light little bait on that hook to allow for a good hook set. And what I'll do is I'll just take that old 5/0 circle hook and just come in just a little bit, go right up through that skin where it's just hooked through the little piece of that skin, and that's all there is to it. And go down about 20 inches to a 2-ounce bank sinker. Yeah, that's a nice fish. I can't tell quite how well he's hooked. I think I'll try and put this net on him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a good one. Not the biggest one I caught out here, but the biggest one of the day. Let me get this one in the ice chest. See if we got anything on this over here. Oh yeah. Another good old blue. Got him right in the corner of the mouth there. The long one. We'll go ahead and add him to the mix here. That one back down in there. Got him in some ice water. Keep them cooled off till I can get them back to the house. That's when the real work will begin. Another blue cat. Yeah, they must have stocked some blue cats in here a while back. There's sure enough a bunch of them. As you can see, he just barely hooked. A little old bitty piece of bait right there in the corner of the mouth. I don't know how well you can see that in the sunshine, but kind of a fine line between just how hard you pull and how soft you should be when they go to flipping and flopping. Just doing a little talking. And just before I come out to the lake, I'll whip up a little peanut butter sandwich. Got me a piece of fruit here. I always try and get me some water. I have plenty of water. So it's getting to be about, I don't know, 11. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little lunch break here.